41 Hawthorn Road, Western Industrial Estate, Naas Road, Dublin 12. Western Industrial Estate is situated just off the Naas Road, with an additional entrance off Nanger Road. The estate is located approximately 1.8 kilometres from junction 9 Red Cow, Naas Road, on the M50 motorway, and is served by Dublin Bus, in addition to being easily accessible to Dublin International Airport and Dublin Port Tunnel. The Lewis Red Line serves the area, with stops nearby at Kylemore and Bluebell. The main features of this property, measuring approximately 1,730 square metres, or 18,500 square feet, include its concrete blockwork and steel frame construction, to a clear internal eaves height of approximately 5.5 metres. A recent refurbishment of the unit saw the installation of a new double-skin insulated metal deck roof sheeting with translucent roof lighting, together with a full refit of all infrastructure and facilities, including two-storey offices, which are presented as seen in ready-to-occupy condition. The unit has reinforced concrete floor and two automated full-height roller shutter doors to the front, each approximately 4.2 metres wide by 4.6 metres high. The unit has ample car parking spaces located to the front, with an additional yard area located on both sides of the unit, facilitating excellent loading and circulation for truck and container goods access. To the front of Unit 41 are two-storey offices, with an excellent mix of open plan and private office accommodation, along with superb staff facilities including a canteen and WC areas. Both fire and intruder alarm systems are present. Intended purchasers are urged to partake in their own assessment of this unit. For further information or to arrange a viewing, contact Louise within FJ Frisby on 01 2933 800. Visit our website at fjfrisby.ie or by emailing louise@fjfrisby.ie.